Hello everybody and welcome to my channel vending machine video. Some empty slot but I see something nice already. Okay, forget about the first one. Tune Chevy Silverado. This is also nice. I don't know what is it. A Mazda MX-5 and the black Volvo which I will buy. Gas Corvette. The black Camaro convertible, Dodge Viper. This one is also something which I don't know. Another black Camaro and a gold Batmobile. Nice as it is, but Batmobile should be black, not gold. The Ford Mustang, which is the super treasure hunt, but this is not. Matchbox Mazda MX-5, a duck, Manga Tuna, Chevy Silverado, and aeroplane. Another Mazda MX-5 from Matchbox. Honda Civic. For GT Racing, this is a three-wheeler purple Blackmobile. And Jurassic World Unimog is very tempting. Cafer Racer. So for now I will buy the Volvo. So this is what I have bought, the black Volvo, a new color. Even though I don't like black, it is a Volvo. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.